In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to find both IMEI numbers of a lost or stolen phone in 2025. If you're watching my video for today, I'm very much sure you have misplaced your phone. I'm very sorry about that, but let's try and see in the video going ahead how we could get both the IMEI numbers of your dual SIM Android device. So the first thing is, when you lose your phone, what you do is you get onto Google Find Hub, you log in with the same email address that was on the lost or stolen phone, and then you click on devices and you get onto this page. Once you're here, within a couple of seconds or a minute or two, Google Find Hub is going to pinpoint your phone to a specific location if it is still online or if it can detect the last location, whatever it is. Now, so to get the IMEI number, you click on the settings widget icon out here. You get a pop-up and you see one IMEI number. Now, what if you have a dual SIM phone? So for dual SIM phones, obviously you have two IMEI numbers. So Find Hub is only going to show you one IMEI number. There is nowhere else on Google that you could get the second IMEI number, until and unless you have stored both the IMEI numbers on a Word document or a notepad and uploaded that file on Google Drive. You could download that document and get it from there. Apart from that, there's nowhere else on Google you could find both the IMEI numbers for your lost or stolen phone. But you could do few things that could try and help getting both the IMEI numbers for you. The first thing is, you could try calling your network provider. So whatever network provider you are on, maybe Vodafone or Airtel or AT&T, you could try calling them. Yes, your phone was misplaced, your SIM is gone, but I'm very much sure you applied for a duplicate SIM. So call them up from your duplicate SIM and tell them the issue. They may just be able to help. Apart from calling these guys directly, what you could also do is, if they have a local office, you could walk into the office and speak to the staff out there and provide your identity documents, and you could try and get a report from them if they can help you with both the IMEI numbers. The second method is to check your phone's original packaging. So you may have the box, right, for the phone. You could check on the box and see if the IMEI numbers are there. The third method is to review your purchase documents. You may have an invoice or a bill, and you could try and see if you could get the IMEI number out there. So these are the few things that you could do to try and get both your IMEI numbers for your lost or stolen dual Android phone. Do not get carried away by suggestions online telling you that they could help you get both the IMEI numbers and stuff like that. Nobody can help you do that. Even Google Find Hub cannot do that. So if these guys cannot do it, nobody else can do it. I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.